our underbar sink. First off, the overall dimensions. We have a length of 12 inches, a depth of 22.5 inches, and height of 33 inches tall. Measurements for the interior sink. We have 10 inches in length, 14 inches in depth, and a height of 7 inches tall. Strainer will be included along with the faucet. Measurements for the swivel head faucet spout will include 6 inches, and the left and right mounts will be 4 inches. Coming to the bottom, the bottom interior to hook up the plumbing for the sink to operate, along with additional compartment space. Interior dimensions, we have 12 inches in length, 22.25 inches in depth, and a height of 15 inches. Located to the top left corner is the NSF certification. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website, coolerdepotUSA.com, for more information on this product. Thank you.